Hello, fellow traders. 'Tis I, the Rumpled One, coming to you Thursday, July the 9th. The year's 2020. Let's talk trading. Trading step by step. Today, step 4. Let me just let you all know that these videos are for educational purposes only. Your results may differ from mine. Trading is extremely risky. You can lose all of your money. If you need trading, investment, or financial advice, seek the advice of an accredited financial professional. Okay, step 4. Step 1 was risk. Step 2, brain management. Step 3, money management. Step 4 is, I guess we could call it self-management, and it's a simple step, but it perhaps might be the most difficult step is all. Any of you who have been following me for years know that I say your sole role is to be a trained monkey. In other words, you see the stimulus, you do the response, and you get the banana. What am I talking about? Well, was for the past month, I was saying how if you're a beginning trader and you're looking for a method or you're struggling, simply trade the previous hour breakout. So the current hour opens, usually it's going to open below the high of the previous hour and above the low of the previous hour. And your mission as a trained monkey is to wait for price to get to either the high, the previous hour high, and buy, or the previous hour low and sell short. That's it. That's all you have to do. Of course, you have your risk management in place and your position sizes proper, and you execute your stop loss. But basically, as far as entry goes, that's all you have to do. You don't have to think about anything. You just have to be a trained monkey. You watch price. Let's see, which chart is it? It's one of these. Actually, I think we can use this chart here. So, this particular case, here's the previous hour. You would go high, you would go long at the high, you go short at the low. That's it. You just wait. That's all you do. You don't try to overthink it. Previous hour, it hit the high, you would have made money. The hour before that, it hit the high, you would have made money. The hour before that, no trade. The hour before that, no trade. The hour before that, it hit the high, you made money. Now, the hour before that, it hit the low, you might have taken a stop loss there. Hour before that, broke the high, you made money, and it broke the low, you made money. Does it work every time? No. And look at this. As I'm doing the video, it just hit the low. I mean, I couldn't have done that better, right? But this is it. You take that trade. Right now, you'd be up what? A pip or two? That's how simple it is. Now you'd be up 2 pips. This is all you have to do. But this is so hard. Why is it hard? It's because you make it hard. Because you are probably going to try to analyze something instead of just taking that trade and being up 5 pips. Do you understand that? Do you see how simple it would have been to short there? But if your mind hesitated and tried to overthink or tried to think at all, because there's no thought involved here, you're a trained monkey. You'd be up 6, almost 7 pips now. Trained monkey. Nothing fancy. All you do, candle color at the line, you go short. You're going with price. Look at that. That's what? That was almost 9 pips, I think, there. That is the most difficult part, is that self-management, self-control. Just execute. Go short at the line with the candle color. Get the banana. Right now, you could get what? 6 or 7, 8 bananas. Pips are bananas. Bananas are pips, right? This is all you have to do as a trader. You don't need a bunch of fancy stuff. I didn't even talk about any of this stuff over here. I didn't talk about any of this stuff over here or up here or down there. No, candle color at the line. That was it. Candle color at the line. In this case, black is down. Where's the price action? I know it's here somewhere. There it is. It was the last one. Once again, red at the line short, green at the line long. So you could have even made 3 or 4 pips going long earlier here. This is it. There's nothing else to do. Why is it so difficult? Look at that. You'd be up, if you just took it at the line here, as opposed to at the high. Right now, you're up 11 pips. Here, you'd be up almost 11 pips. Let's see. Well, yeah, close to it. Look at that. It's just dropping. Just dropping. Dropping. Even more. 17 pips. 16 pips. I couldn't have... Man, did I pick the right time to do this video or what? But this is how simple it is. This is a simple trade. Price opens between these two lines. Sweet spots indicator here. Right here, sweet spots gold, the modified version, the latest version I put out. You say show buy sell true. This is not difficult. You put it on the H1 time frame. You go with candle color at the line. Will you win every time? No. Don't expect to. But over a period of time, so long as your risk management's in place, your money management's in place, you execute, chances are you'll probably win. But as I stated earlier, these videos are for educational purposes only, and your results may differ from mine. But you have to admit, like 17 pips, maybe you had a chance at 20. That's not too bad for something so simple. But if you get in your own way, you will not be successful. If you get in your own way. Because the market's going to do what the market's going to do. The market doesn't care why you enter. It doesn't care why you exit. It's just going to keep doing. So the question is, can you be a trained monkey and execute that trade? Now, maybe you doubt. Maybe you have some doubts. So if you have any doubts, here's what I suggest. Give me 10 trades. Do a penny a pip or a dime a pip or a dollar a pip if you want. Okay? Give me a penny or a dime a pip, not even a dollar. Give me 10 trades. Now, you have to be honest with yourself, not with me, but with yourself. Can you do this trade? Can you take either the H1 breakout or can you take the sweet spots breakout? And you can actually put them both on the same chart and do whichever comes first. But can you do that? Can you pick one of those methods or combine them? Can you do that? Short at the line, long at the line. Do it 10 times in a row. Give me a 10 pip stop loss, or if you're going to do this, it's 10 or less. It's either 10 pips, or if this is less than 10, just give me that. Just give me those 10 pips stop loss, okay? So the worst you'd lose at a dime a pip is $10 after 10 trades. But I don't think you're going to lose 10 times in a row. And report back in the comments, in the video. Let me know that you did it, you faithfully did it, you didn't miss it, you didn't hesitate. Price hit the line, you took the trade, and either you hit your stop or you took some profit. I don't care if you just take 1 pip or 2 pips or 10 pips. I just want you to see whether or not you get an opportunity to make pips and grab your banana. That's it. But I know there's going to be traders out there who are somehow going to mess this up because they're going to overthink it And they'll probably put some squiggly lines on here or a bunch of other shading or who knows whatever, some other fancy numbers or something. But can you just give me a simple chart, either like this or like this? Just not under the gauges, just a chart. That's all I need. Just a chart with either the high marked, and if you want to use that indicator, that's TROHL. Just set it to the 1 bar ago and the hourly bar, or use the sweet spots and give it a shot and let me know. Because see, step 4 wraps together the other 3 steps. But it's the self-management, the self-control that you can execute your trading plan or a trading plan flawlessly, repeatedly, and you don't go outside the lines. You don't color outside the lines. You stay within you do what it says. You're a trained monkey. You're not trained to think. You're trained to execute. Candle color at the line. That's all you do. So I hope you can do that. Let's see. So let's run through the charts real quickly here. Still 1, 2, 3 gaps that haven't filled. The pound is moving up again, as we saw. We're 177 pips over that weekly open. You can see here we broke out at a previous day's high, which is another one of those types of trades. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green days in a row. We're up 177 pips for the week once again, 44 on the day off of the open. You see we broke out of that inside bar, but we've pulled back. See, we hit a high of 69. That was 47, so that's 22. So you could have grabbed at least 20 pips there on that breakout. Okay, pivot point, we missed it. Prices moved up nicely. Red Rat should be enjoying the feast right there. Once again, these are all simple methods. Looking here, pivot, another missed pivot. So we've got 2 missed pivots here in July. But we took out that missed pivot from, when was that? Oh yeah, this missed pivot right here. We took that out yesterday. I remembered there was another missed pivot. That was a June missed pivot. Wick zone in and out once again. Candle color at the line. Yes, I'm repeating myself because that's what good trading is, repetition. And you see here, if you remember in yesterday's step 3, money management, you got to take it before the market takes it back. Because see, if I remember correctly, there was 20, we were like 20 pips. I remember saying 17, 18. Look where we are now, only 4 pips. You got to take your money off the table or the market will take it back. When do you take it? You put together your exit playbook. And you see here, it's taking it back. I mean, what was the clue? Well, look here. What did price do off this level? It's going above, it hit 30 and above 1, 2, 3, 4 times. It didn't close below there, okay, when it pushed down. So it went here and turned around. That was your clue. So, fellow traders, I hope you can grab some bananas. I hope this video helped you because if you notice, I mean, yes, I mentioned a couple little simple trades there, but this is more about you than the method, okay? It's about you because it's not what you trade, it's how you trade it. So I want you to go out there and drain the banks. And if you haven't yet, you come down here, you click subscribe, you click like on the video. Please click like on all the videos. And then you share the video. You post this video all over the internet so other traders can benefit. And come join me on Facebook or on Cresslick.com. So this is TheRumpledOne signing